My name is Lindsay Van Meter, and I'm the lead nurse injector here at the Southlake Plastic Surgery Med Spa, and today I'm going to be talking about PRP. PRP is platelet-rich plasma. We all have it, it's part of our blood. So basically you come to the office and we draw your blood, spin it down in the centrifuge, and the platelet-rich plasma floats up to the top. It's yellow, and then we're able to re-inject that or apply it topically as an add-on service. The platelet-rich plasma that we're getting from your blood is loaded with growth factors. So what's kind of awesome about PRP is wherever you put it, it's going to help that area. We saw this originally with athletes who were having tendon or ligament sprains, tears. When they would have rehabilitation and physical therapy, PRP would help them heal faster. Whenever it's injected into the scalp, it helps stimulate those hair follicles so that more grow back faster, thicker, and healthier. Whenever it's injected underneath the eyes, it helps thicken the dermis, the actual skin beneath the eyes, without adding volume like a dermal filler or a tear trough gel filler would. So I really like that in terms of a healthy, safe, injectable biologic. My favorite thing about PRP is that it is incredibly safe. This is your own blood. You're not going to be allergic to it. You're not going to have a reaction to it. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I would love to talk with you about PRP in person. Consultations are complimentary.